Hello everyone, how are you? Nice to meet you again. Mwah. I send you a big kiss from the distance. Les mando un beso enorme desde la distancia, ¿ok? And today we are going to learn a new topic. Yes, vamos a aprender un nuevo tema, ¿sí? Que lo vimos en la clase online, on Zoom, ¿sí? En la clase de Zoom. And these are toys. Very good, ¿ok? Do you like toys? ¿Les gustan los toys? Yes or no? Lo pueden dejar en los comentarios. Very good, okay? And today we are going to start unit number 2. Vamos a aprender la unidad número 2, okay? Ya vimos your beautiful toys, sí, sus hermosos juguetes. But today I'm going to show, les voy a mostrar my favorite toy, mi juguete favorito, okay? So, quédense ahí and pay attention. Y presten atención, ¿ok? Let's begin. Vamos a empezar. What's this? This is a ball. Very good. Ball, ¿ok? Do you like balls? Yes? Yes or no? ¿Ok? Very good. I like balls. Yes? Entonces, if you like, si te gustan, vas a decir, I like balls. Yes? If you don't like, ¿sí? Si no te gustan, vas a decir, I don't like balls. Very good. Si te gustan, I like balls. Si no te gustan, I don't like balls. Very good. Okay, excellent. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar. Okay, excellent. Very good. And now we have, ¿qué tenemos? A bike. Very good. One more time. A bike. Okay, one more time. Una vez más. A bike. Excellent, very good. Entonces, do you like bikes? ¿Te gustan las bikes? Yes or no? Lo puedes dejar en los comentarios. Si te gustan, you are going to say, I like bikes, okay? I like bikes. Very good. One more time, una vez más. I like bikes. Very good. Y si no te gustan, I don't like bikes. One more time. I don't like bikes. Very good. Excellent. For example, I like bikes. Me gustan las bikes. But I don't know how to ride them. Sí, no sé cómo andar en bicicleta. Yes, I know. I am big. Ya soy grande, ¿ok? Pero bueno. I've never learned. Nunca aprendí, ¿ok? Do you know how to ride? ¿Ustedes saben cómo andar en bicicleta? Yes or no? Very good. Continue. And now we have a board game. Okay, a board game. Yes, one more time, a board game. Okay, this one is difficult. Esta es difícil, okay? Do you like board games? Yes or no? ¿Sí? Si te gustan, decís, I like board games. Yes, one more time, I like board games. Okay, very good. If you don't like, si no te gustan, decimos, I don't like board games. Okay, otra vez, I don't like board games. Okay, very good, okay? Let's continue, vamos a continuar. What's this? What's this? ¿Qué es esto? This is a car. Very good, this one is easy. Esta es fácil. A car, okay? This is a car, very good. Do you like cars? Yes or no? Yes? If you like cars, si te gustan los cars, vas a decir, I like cars, okay? One more time. I like cars. Very good. If you don't like cars, si no te gustan los cars, vas a decir, I don't like cars. Okay? One more time. I don't like cars. Very good. Very good. Excellent. And now we have computer games. Okay? How is it? ¿Cómo es? Computer games. One more time. Computer games. Very good. So, do you like computer games? ¿Les gustan? What kind of computer games do you like? ¿Qué tipo de juegos les gustan? Fortnite, y hay un montón más, ¿ok? Call of Duty, los Sims, I don't know. Entonces, si te gusta vas a decir, I like computer games. Very good. One more time. I like computer games. Very good. If you don't like computer games, si no te gustan vas a decir, I don't like computer games. Very good. For example, a mí, I don't like computer games. A mí no me gusta, ¿ok? I don't like them. I prefer to watch TV. Sí, yo prefiero mirar la TV. Very good. Let's move on. Vamos a continuar. What's this? This is a doll, ¿ok? This one is easy. Esta es fácil. Doll, ¿ok? So, If you like dolls, you are going to say, I like dolls. Yes, one more time. I like dolls. Very good. If you don't like dolls, si no te gustan las dolls, you are going to say, I don't like dolls. One more time. I don't like dolls. Very good. For example, I like dolls. Yes, a mí me gustan las dolls. I have a lot of dolls. Sí, tengo un montón de dolls. De cuando era little, de cuando era chiquito, ¿ok? Very good. And now we have a difficult one, ¿sí? Tenemos una difícil, ¿ok? Karaoke, listen to me. Karaoke, ¿ok? Karaoke machine, yes? One more time. Karaoke machine, yes? Very good. One more time, una vez más. Karaoke machine, ¿ok? Do you like karaoke machines? ¿Les gustan? Yes or no, ¿ok? Si les gustan, van a decir, I like karaoke machines. Very good. If you don't like karaoke machines, van a decir, I don't like karaoke machines. Very good, ¿ok? One more time, una vez más. I don't like karaoke machines. Very good. For example, I like karaoke machines, ¿ok? They are used for singing. La. Se usan para cantar, ¿ok? La. Very good. Do you like singing? ¿A ustedes les gusta cantar? Okay, very good. Excellent. Let's move on. Vamos. Excellent. And now we have a kite. How is it? Kite. Okay, one more time. Kite. Very good. Do you like kites? Yes or no? Sí, if you like kites, si les gustan los kites, vamos a decir I like kites. One more time. I like kites. Very good. If you don't like kites, si no te gustan, vamos a decir I don't like kites. Very good. One more time. I don't like kites. Excellent. Very good. Excellent. And now we are getting to the last but not least toy, ¿sí? Al anteúltimo juguete, ¿ok? Very good. What's this? ¿Qué es esto? Un teddy bear, ¿ok? One more time. Teddy bear, ¿ok? One more time, una vez más. Teddy bear, yes? Do you like teddy bears? ¿Les gustan los teddy bears? Yes or no? If you like teddy bears, si les gustan, vamos a decir I like teddy bears. One more time. I like teddy bears. Very good, okay? If you don't like teddy bears, si no les gustan, van a decir I don't like teddy bears. Very good. If you don't like, one more time, si no les gusta una vez más, I don't like teddy bears. Very good. They are soft. Sí, son suavecitos. I love teddy bears. A mí me encantan los teddy bears, ¿ok? Very good. Y vamos a llegar al last toy, al último juguete, ¿ok? What's this? ¿Qué será esto? This is a scooter, ¿ok? One more time. Scooter, ¿ok? One more time, una vez más. Scooter, ¿ok? Very good. Scooter, ¿ok? Excellent. Yes? Do you like scooters? Yes or no? If you like scooters, si les gustan, van a decir I like scooters, ¿ok? One more time, una vez más. I like scooters. Very good. If you don't like scooters, bien angry, bien enojados, van a decir I don't like scooters, ¿ok? Excellent. One more time. I don't like scooters. Excellent. Very good. And now I'm going to show you my favorite toy. Les voy a mostrar a ustedes mi juguete favorito, ¿ok? So, this is my favorite toy. Can you see it? ¿Lo pueden ver? This is Stitch. Say hello to Stitch, children. Hello, children. Yes. No sé imitar muy bien la voz de Stitch, pero he can speak, ¿sí? Puede hablar, miren. Very good. So, Stitch is my favorite toy, okay? I love him. Lo amo, okay? What's your favorite toy, okay? ¿Es tu juguete favorito? Yes? You can leave it in the comments. Sí, lo puedes dejar en los comentarios. It can be a bike, okay? A scooter, okay? Very good. What else? A teddy bear, a doll, okay? Entonces, what's your favorite toy? ¿Sí? ¿Cuál es tu juguete favorito? Vamos a responder a la pregunta así. My favorite toy, yes, one more time. My favorite toy is a doll, a scooter, a bike. Very good. You can ask to your family, ¿sí? También le pueden preguntar a su family, mom, dad, brother, sister, what's their favorite toy, ¿sí? ¿Cuáles son sus juguetes favoritos? Okay, very good. Okay, now we are going to revise. Vamos a repasar todo, a ver si se acuerdan los toys. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Now you have seen my favorite toy, ¿sí? Vieron mi juguete favorito, ¿sí? Tienen que responder, what's your favorite toy? ¿Sí? One more time, what's your favorite toy? ¿Sí? ¿Cuál es su juguete favorito? Y tienen que decir, my favorite toy is a ball, okay? It can be. Vamos a repasar los toys que ya vimos. A ball, okay? My favorite toy is a ball, okay? Why not? ¿Por qué no? Let's continue. What's this? This is a bike, okay? Very good. So, my favorite toy is a bike. Yes, one more time. My favorite toy is a bike. Very good. Very good. So, what is this game? ¿Sí? A ver si se lo acuerdan. This is a board game, okay? One more time, a board game, yes? If your favorite toy is this one, si este es su juguete favorito, van a decir, my favorite toy is a board game, okay? One more time, una vez más, my favorite toy is a board game, okay? Very good. Let's move on. So, this is a car, very good. If your favorite toy is a car, si es el car, van a decir, my favorite toy is a car, okay? One more time. My favorite toy is a car. Excellent, very good. Let's move on. Vamos a continuar. What is this? This is a computer game, okay? Computer game. Excellent. If your favorite toy are computer games, sí, van a decir, my favorite toy is computer games, okay? Very good. Excellent. Let's move on. This is a doll, okay? Very good. So, if your favorite toy is a doll, van a decir, my favorite toy is a doll. One more time. My favorite toy is a doll. Excellent. Very good. Let's move on. This is esta era difícil. Karaoke machine, okay? Karaoke machine, yes? My favorite toy is a karaoke machine. One more time. My favorite toy is a karaoke machine. Very good. This is a kite, okay? ¿Se acuerdan? A kite. My favorite toy is a kite, okay? Very good. Let's move on. This is a teddy bear, okay? Very good. If your favorite toy is a teddy bear, si es un teddy bear, van a decir, my favorite toy is a teddy bear. Yes? My favorite toy is a teddy bear. Very good. Y el último, a scooter, okay? If your favorite toy is this one, si es este, my favorite toy is a scooter. One more time. My favorite toy is a scooter. Excellent. Very good. Okay, excellent. Y ahí por ahora hemos terminado, ¿ok? I hope you enjoyed this video. Espero que lo hayan disfrutado. Les mando un beso enorme. Bye bye. See you next week.